Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you a basic numbers app tutorial for the people who are new to this app. I know this is a really different video from what I normally post, but I'm just trying out many different themes. And let's get started. So, if you're new to numbers, it's basically tables, kind of like spreadsheets. And you can see I've made a lot of things. Some of them are really weird. So if you're a beginner, I recommend choosing a template. And there are a lot of cool templates that you may use. There's budget trackers, calendars, and there's lots of different templates. For now, we're just going to start with a blank, because we're just going to teach you how to make your own super cool spreadsheets. So, this looks kind of boring. It's all gray and bland. And you can see this paintbrush tool in the corner, the top right. And if you click on it, then you can change the looks, the styles. And you can click table, and you can choose different colors: blue, green, red, yellow, white. I'll choose green. So this is your table. I'm going to use this for naming grades in a school. So you can double tap on a box to click it, to type in it. I'll type name. And there are a lot of boxes here, right? What if you only have 5 people? Then you can see this equal button thing here, and you can use it to create more rows or less rows. And you can do the same with columns. So here, we made the table way smaller. You can also change the table name by double tapping on table 1. So now, I can just continue filling it out, but that's just simple. This is just some normal spreadsheets app. But there's way more to it than just spreadsheets too. You can decorate around it, add photos, shapes, charts, whatever can help you become the best. So in the top, you can see there's these 4 buttons. This table button thing just adds another table. And there's many different colors and styles. There's even a to-do list. Look, there's checks for if you're making a to-do list. For now, we don't need it. So to delete a table, you just tap on it and then click delete. So now, the second button in the top, there's charts. You can do many different types of styles, and there's even 3D and interactive charts too. Now let's choose a 3D chart. I like this one. So look, now the chart has been created. But now we need to add data to it so it's actually functional. And we can do this by connecting the chart to the table. So we can write the name, grade, and notes. Wait, the grade is supposed to be. Okay, so now how do we show this onto our chart? You can click on the chart and tap to add data. And you can tap on the table, and then look, the grade shows up. Click done, in the top left corner. And then you've got grades. And we can continue doing this by adding a couple more. I just filled out some of the grades and names. So now, if I click edit, then look, I can choose even more people. Whoa. I think I did it a little wrong. So this is a common mistake that you may make. So you may actually literally stack them on top of each other as a total. And this is not what you want. So to fix this, click done. Then edit series. And look now, we can see we can change colors and that stuff. And you can tap on one to delete it. Look, now it pops out. You have to remember to click on the column that you want if you're doing columns. Now look at that. So realistic, so amazing. But what if I want to change the color? You can still do this. Look at that. Amazing. Now, you have a chart. You can also have some photos. And you can even draw. And you can click on this button to rename, save, move, and even set a password to your spreadsheets. Now I'll name this grades. But if you think this is too small, you can always do more because there's tabs. You can click the plus button right here to create another sheet. Also, forms can be related to a sheet and pick out table data. And to rename one, click on it and then double tap. Just double tap. And forms can be related to grades. And look, now we have this. Forms. So this is how you use numbers. And these spreadsheets are all saved into your files. I can also show you, some project I made too. I made a little book with this. Wait, what? Never mind. I think I'm gonna show you that later. If this video got more than 3 likes, then I'll show my thing. So then I'll show my cake thing. So this is literally just a fun way to learn about numbers. The app. And if this video does good, I'll do one with Pages and Google Docs, Forms, and all those cool apps. Okay. If it does good, I'll show it with these. Like OneNote, Outlook, and just all the reminders, all these other things if this video does good. So bye! Hope you like this new theme of videos.